Hello and welcome to Business Spoken English. There are several videos on spoken that have been uploaded by me. In this video, I'm gonna give you 10 reasons if you're not focusing on your communication skill. I'm gonna give you 10 reasons why should you focus on your communication skill. First of all, that I have written in my list, I have included in my list is in life. In your life, communication is the biggest thing that you do. Communication is the most used thing that you do. Look at your body parts. Mouth is the only body part that you use the most. Okay, from morning till night, whether you are a police officer or a teacher or a student, there's just one thing that you do the most, which is speaking. And whether you're selling something, whether you're teaching someone, you're just using your communication skills. So why shouldn't we improve it? When you will focus on your communication skills, the person who is going to listen to you will feel good, will feel energized. So, don't you think it's compulsory to focus on our communication skills? Shouldn't we use great types of words? Shouldn't we use something amazing that will make them good, feel good? Okay. So the first reason why should you focus on your communication skill is in your daily life there are many persons who is connected to you and who communicates to you. So it's your priority to make them feel good, and that is why you should focus on your communication skills. Second reason that I have written in my list, I have included in my list is importance of communication in any organization. Whether you are a job person or a business tycoon or you're just finding a job, there's just one reason of success, and that reason is your communication skill. If you're selling something and you are not making your customer feel good, if your customer is not getting satisfied with you, if your customer is not feeling amazement, this is because of you, then he is not going to purchase your product. If you're teaching someone and your customer is not feeling good just because of your communication, your customer is not feeling happy just because of your communication, so he is not going to purchase anything from you. So it's compulsory to focus on your communication skill, and that was the reason of any organization. Importance of communication skill in business is known to everyone. When you will look at top business tycoons, their communication is amazing. Have you ever heard Elon Musk and his communication skill? That can be an example for everyone. Like everyone who wants to speak amazingly. So Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, and these tycoons are an example for us. So in business, communication skill really matters, and it's really important to focus on it. That was the third reason why should we focus on communication skill. After that, in our society, when you talk to your uncle, when you talk to your friend, when you talk to your boss, colleague, in our society, communication really matters. We all know that when we communicate to anyone, we just try to make them feel good. You know why? When you meet your friend, what is the first thing that you do? You give a smile. Like when you're meeting someone at a first glance, what do? You just give a small smile, not like he, but you do that. Why do you do that? Just because you want to make them feel good. And you did that. You gave a smile and you made them feel good. And suddenly you're saying, and he's not feeling good in your communication. So what is he going to do? He will leave you. He's not going to, speak or talk to you. It happens. Like there are many friends of mine. What they do is, they just speak continuously. They don't care. Am I listening to him or not? Am I really focusing? Am I really observing anything that is being said by him or not? They just continue speaking. So it's really bad thing that people are doing right now. You should be aware of it. Like if people are listening to you, then you should speak. If they are not listening, you shouldn't. Fifth importance that I have written for communication is the importance of communication in management. When you're managing someone, when you're talking to someone, if you're in any management field, if you are having your own business, then you need to manage your customer, you need to manage your employees, and if your communication is not good and the way how you talk is not good, so no one is going to care about you. No one is going to listen to you whether you are speaking about anything or not. No one is going to listen to you if your communication is not good. So importance of communication in management is really important. If it comes to educational field, so it is extremely important because everything that's being said by parents, is going to be said by you, because you are listening to me, and in future when you will have to speak on this topic, you will try to find my words in mind. So important communication skill in education field is really important, because whatever is being said by me has been already heard by me. So now, till now, you have got the five reasons why should you focus on communication skills. It was education. That I told you that everything that's being said by you is going to be spoken by your students. So it's really important to focus on your communication skills before your student is going to speak as you. In transportation service, it's really important. Like when you transport, when you just leave your place and you get to new place, at that moment you just tell the world where are you from and what is the locality and situation of the place where you're living in. Like if you are from a particular place and you are leaving that place, you're going to a different place, so you're just telling the world where are you from and what is the culture, what is the language of that place, what is the skill, communication skill of that place. So it's really important. Like you will be an example. Like if you're from Bihar and you're going to Bangladesh, when you will say that you're from Bihar, then they are going to understand that how do Biharis speak. So it's really important when you're traveling from a place to another. In leadership, it's really important. Eighth point is leadership. You are leading someone and you don't know how to speak. You don't know what type, in what situation, what type of sentences should be used. You don't know the communication that can convince anyone to do any work. There are many persons who say something like, have you ever have this situation when someone is asking someone to give something and suddenly he gets that. At the same thing is being done by you, you just go there, you ask that, and he says no, I can't give you. Have you ever felt this? You must, because you don't have that much amount of capability, that much amount of communication skill as much as he is having. Because when you are having a dumb face and then you're going to in front of someone and you are asking about something, then you're not going to get that. When you will be excited to talk to someone, when you will be excited for any while talking to someone, absolutely you're going to get the thing that you want. And ninth reason is social media. If you are on social media, that is the biggest reason for communication skill, because there are thousands, not thousands, millions of persons who is going to watch you. Not at this time when you will be famous, when everyone will is going to know you. So you're going to be famous. So everyone is going to listen to you. So it's really important to focus on your communication skill. If you're on social media, when you're commenting on someone, when you're talking to someone, when you're making a video on any social media platform, then there are millions of people, billions of people who is going to watch your videos. So it's really important to focus on it. And last point that I've written in technology. Yeah, there are many persons who is going to think, what does it mean? Like communication skill in technology? Yeah, it is. Like you know very well that technology has a language. Like when you're using a computer, computer has its own language. Human has their own language. Exactly like this. Language is improving every day. Every day, new word is being created. Every day, new sentences are being created. So it's really important to focus on trend, like what type of sentences are being used. Nowadays, if you're going to say, hey, how are you? It is not going to work, because it's really old. It's been a long time since people are using it. Now you'll have to use something else like WhatsApp. Hey there, how's it going? These type of sentences are used. So you should focus on technology. You should be connected to trends. Okay, so there were so these were 10 important reasons to focus on communication skill, as I told you. Thank you so much for having this conversation. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. Thank you so much.